Good morning, everybody. Today we're going to be learning how to make a GIF on Adobe Photoshop. So why don't you go ahead and open Photoshop, open a new file. The file is going to be called GIF_hello. It's going to be a square file, so make the width 800 pixels by 800 pixels with the resolution at 300 pixels per inch. When you're finished, click OK. On the layer bar, you have to unlock the layer background, and it will change the layer name to layer 0. So now you can edit the background. Click the paint bucket on the left side panel and choose the light blue color. Then click OK and click somewhere on the white paper. The paper will turn to the color light blue. Create a new layer, and now we're going to make the text. So click the type tool and change the color to a darker blue. Then type hello by using Arial bold italic size 50 points. Place it in the middle of the paper the best you can. Create a new layer. Choose another blue tone color and type hello Arial bold italic size 50 points again. Place it overlay on layer 1, and then make another one. Create a new layer. Choose another blue tone color and type hello again. Place it on layer 1 and 2, so you will get 3 layers overlaid on the same position. And then you can check to click the I button, which indicates the layer visibility on the layer panel, to check that all 3 layers are in the same position. When you are ready, click the window button, choose the workspace, and under motion. The timeline panel will show up in the bottom, then click create free animation. Create a new layer for each new frame. Each frame you can choose which layer you want to show. For example, frame 1, hide all layers and make only hello 1 visible. Frame 2, hide all layer and make only hello 2 visible. Frame 3, hide all layers and make only hello 3 visible. Press Shift key and select all frames above and set the duration time as 0.5 seconds. The duration should be forever. Click the repeat menu from the bottom of the timeline panel and select forever. This will create a looping animation. Click the play button from the bottom of the timeline panel to preview the animation. When you are done, click File, Save As, and Format PSD. Click File again, Save for Web, and click Save. Make sure all your details are correct, such as the name and size and quality of the video. When you have saved it, go to the desktop, open your file, right-click on the file, open with, and then web browser to preview your GIF. And it should look something a little like this.
First, create a blank page. It could be any size depending on your choice of pictures. Today, we will be using 800 x 700 pixels. Then click Open and select all the files you want to make a GIF. Drag the selected pictures and put it on a blank page we created earlier. Put it over one another like this. Make sure that all of them are in the same positions. You can delete layer 0 now, since we won't be using it. Next, click Window and go to Workspace, then Motion. At the bottom, you will see Create Frame Animation. Go right ahead and click on it. At the bottom, click on the button next to the trash can. It is a button that will duplicate selected frames. Duplicate it 4 times as you have 4 layers in this work. If you have more layers, duplicate it as equal as the numbers of layers you have. For example, 8 layers equals to 8 duplications. Click onto all the eye icon next to every layer to hide them. You want to make only one layer to only be displayed on each frame. So in the first frame, with other layers hidden, you want to make layer 1 visible. Then go on to the second frame and only make layer 2 visible. Go on to the third frame and make layer 3 visible only. The same thing goes to the fourth frame where you only make layer 4 visible. Click on each frame from 1 to 4 just to check if you have displayed the correct layer. At the bottom, you can see what we can choose the timing. So go on and press a shift key and select all the frames above. Click on the time that now says 0 second and make it to 0.5 seconds instead. To make the frames go non-stop, click on the button once and choose forever instead. Save the files by go to File, Save As and Save. Also go to File again, choose Save for Web, then Save. Make sure that the format is set as images only, then go ahead and save.